Real world assets are the next narrative to pop off in the crypto space. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. We're going to be covering 3 different real world asset cryptos here right now that I believe you should keep on your radar. With one and specifically, we're going to be diving into some TA at the end of the video, so make sure you stay to the end of that as well. So guys, like always, smash those likes, hit that subscribe, and let's get right into it. Real world assets total market cap is sitting at $42.7 billion. We saw how powerful the AI narrative and sector was for the AI tokens earlier this year, and I believe the real world assets are the next asset class to really pop off here in crypto. So Ando being my first top pick here for real world assets with the highest market cap on this video of the 3, sitting at $1.3 billion market cap. I believe Ando is doing a lot of great things, working with BlackRock to do a lot of great things in tokenizing assets in this space. We're going to be jumping here, sitting at 80 cents, holding very strong against Bitcoin's sideways action consolidation. We're going to be jumping into some TA here at the end of the video, so make sure that you stay to the end. Up next, we've got PROPY. PROPY is the real world asset class of tokenization of real estate here. This is basically the Zillow on the blockchain for crypto. As you guys can see here, also sitting at a market cap of 256 mil, so it's a mid-tier market cap crypto. Circulating supply is almost 100% out according to CoinMarketCap here. And we've got PROPY right here, 24/7 real estate closing. You can buy and sell properties through the blockchain on PROPY. It is a great experience, but we're not here to talk about PROPY alone. We're here to talk about real world assets. TOKENFI is the third on the list here that I believe is another one to keep an eye on the radar. At the smallest market cap of 96 million market cap, sitting at 0.09, also creating a way to create a platform to allow people to come onto the blockchain and bring their real world assets with them. The tokenization real world asset market is projected to be $16 trillion by 2030, and they're offering solution as how to launch your own token and pretty much tokenize your assets with their solution. But guys, what I really want to talk to you guys about here is not just that, but look at Ando. Look what Ando's doing over here. Ando's is working with BlackRock tokenized fund Buildo, right? Is now the largest tokenized treasury fund just 6 weeks after its launch, capturing 30% of the market share. And this growth is attributed to Ando Finance, whose US $50 million inflow last week brings its total contribution to $140 million. Overall, on-chain tokenized fund landscape has seen steady growth. This is wild. This is why I'm so bullish on Ando specifically, and we're going to be jumping into some Ando TA here in just a minute. So guys, here we go. If you haven't smashed those likes, if you haven't hit that subscribe, go do so right now. But real simple to start off here, we are in a mini range within a macro range, right? This range here is from the month of March with a naked point of control sitting down at 49 cents. Does not mean that we're going to go down here. No, but it just does mean that there is a critical level that we have not retested. 49 cent Ando. I mean, we're sitting at 80 cents. That's almost a 50% drop from where we're at right now. Currently, we can measure this out from where we're at. Dropping down there would be 37% drop. Anything's possible in the altcoins, especially if Bitcoin melts, but I don't believe that is the case. But just in case, we're going to be looking at some other critical levels here. We also know Ando has been in a downward trend. Downward trends. You see here, we had the high, lower, and we have not been able to break this market structure at all. Being 98 cents being the all-time high here for the candle, obviously the wick all the way at $1.05, and we have not been able to break this. We're sitting right on the value area high of this macro range for March. But within that time frame, we're also sitting within the range of a very tight range of April. April has been a very tight range. As you can see here, the price action has been fluctuating right above this value area high for March and within the value area high and value area low of April. Currently squeezed in here between 85 cents and as low as 74 cents. So what are some critical levels that I'm looking at for Ando's price? If we continue down and we break down here and we lose this value area high for March, our next leg of support here is 74 cents. If that is lost, we see here that 70 cents flat has been very good support since all the way back in March of 2020, March 24th. So that's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times already, and that's held that support. So 70 cents is the next area that I'm looking at. Another reason why this naked point of control down here at 49 cents is very interesting is because we have a gold pocket sitting down there as well. This gold pocket is measured from the very bottom of this move to the very top overall. and it sits, the naked point of control sits right in the middle of this gold pocket between the 0.618 and the 0.65, sitting at 49 cents, which is a very key area if we do have a larger breakdown. Obviously, that is all going to be highly dependent on Bitcoin and how Bitcoin treats the altcoins. If Bitcoin bleeds out, the altcoins are going to dump as well. But these are the critical levels that I'm looking for to dollar cost average. Anything below, obviously, if you anything below 78 cents, sitting between 78 to 70 cents, I believe is a great range here right now for my personal point of view. Anything below that is just fantastic. Anything below 70 cents is fantastic. For the long term, that's what I'm doing with my portfolio, not giving you guys any financial advice on what you're doing, just dropping the alpha here of what I'm looking for. And obviously, if we break this downward trend, if Bitcoin starts to come back up, real world assets start kicking up again, we're going to be seeing a market structure break here of this downward trend of 83 cents. If we can break above this and retest this confirmation, it's up time, baby, up and away at this time here. So guys, that's what I'm looking at for Ando in the short critical time frames here for the price action of Ando, where I'm dollar cost averaging and where I'm looking for. Obviously, we're going to be covering TokenFi and PROPY in future videos and other real world asset tokens as well. If you guys like this video, make sure you drop it down below in the comments. Let me know what real world assets or narratives you guys want me to cover here. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Until next time, see ya.